7 surprising benefits of apple cider vinegar for glowing skin. Glowing, flawless airbrush skin without using filters, layers of makeup, or spending a fortune at the spa? Sounds impossible? Think again. The secret to radiant, blemish-free skin might just be hiding in your kitchen cabinet. We're talking about the golden liquid known as apple cider vinegar, a powerhouse of natural beauty benefits. Whether you're battling acne, dullness, or signs of aging, ACV has something magical for every skin type. In this video, we're diving deep into the 7 most surprising skin benefits of apple cider vinegar and how to use it the right way for that naturally radiant glow. Before we jump in, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss a single skin-loving tip. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar fights acne naturally. Acne is a struggle many of us know all too well. Those pesky breakouts, clogged pores, and stubborn blackheads are not only frustrating but can affect our confidence. Luckily, apple cider vinegar comes to the rescue with its powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties. The main component, acetic acid, actively kills acne-causing bacteria and reduces inflammation. When applied to the skin in diluted form, apple cider vinegar gently exfoliates the surface, removing dead skin cells that can clog pores. Consistent use can reduce acne significantly and prevent future flare-ups. Bonus? Your skin feels cleaner, smoother, and refreshed after every application. How to use? Mix 1 part raw apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water. Soak a cotton pad and apply it as a toner after cleansing. Let it dry before applying moisturizer. Have you used ACV for acne before? Share your experience in the comments. We love hearing your glow-up stories. Number 2, evens out skin tone and fades dark spots. If you've struggled with hyperpigmentation, acne scars, or uneven skin tone, apple cider vinegar might become your go-to solution. It contains natural alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, that gently dissolve dead skin cells and promote the growth of new ones. This exfoliation process can reduce the appearance of dark spots and sun damage, revealing a brighter and more even complexion. Think of it as nature's gentle version of a chemical peel, but without the redness, irritation, or expense. Over time, your skin becomes more uniform in tone and visibly luminous. Don't forget to wear sunscreen daily when using exfoliants like apple cider vinegar. Protection is key to lasting results. Know someone struggling with uneven skin tone? Share this video with them and give their skincare game a natural upgrade. Number 3, balances your skin's natural pH level. Skin has a slightly acidic pH, typically around 5.5. Many commercial cleansers and skincare products can throw this balance off, leading to dryness, sensitivity, or excessive oil production. Apple cider vinegar helps bring your skin back to its natural state. When your pH is balanced, your skin is better equipped to fight off bacteria, lock in moisture, and remain resilient against environmental stressors. This means fewer breakouts, reduced sensitivity, and a healthier glow. Apply diluted apple cider vinegar as a toner 2 to 3 times a week to help maintain this balance. If your skin constantly feels off, whether oily or flaky, drop a balance in the comments, and we'll share more tips for restoring skin harmony. Number 4, tightens skin and minimizes pores. Large pores are a common skin concern, especially in oily or aging skin. Apple cider vinegar acts as a natural astringent, tightening the skin and reducing the appearance of pores. This not only refines your skin's texture, but also gives a smoother, more youthful appearance. After exfoliating or steaming your face, apple cider vinegar helps tighten pores and lock in hydration, preventing pollutants from entering and keeping your skin fresh and firm. Here is a pro tip. After washing your face, apply diluted apple cider vinegar with a cotton pad and finish with a light moisturizer. Want tighter skin and minimized pores? Drop a thumbs up below and tell us about your current skincare ritual. Number 5, gently exfoliates dull skin. If your skin looks tired, textured, or simply lacks that glow, it's likely in need of exfoliation. Apple cider vinegar is rich in malic acid, a natural exfoliant that dissolves dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and improves skin texture without the need for abrasive scrubs. Unlike harsh physical exfoliants that can cause micro-tears, malic acid works gently to remove buildup, making it ideal for sensitive skin types. With regular use, your skin appears more radiant, smooth, and youthful. Apply at night and always follow with a hydrating product to lock in moisture and avoid irritation. If you're ready to glow, comment "Glow Mode On" and tag a friend who needs a skin reset. Number 6. Soothes irritated skin and sunburn. From sunburns to itchy rashes or bug bites, apple cider vinegar offers calming relief thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. When diluted and applied topically, it can cool, soothe, and speed up the skin's natural healing process. It's especially helpful for calming redness, minimizing flare-ups from eczema or psoriasis, and reducing itching from allergic reactions. However, always do a patch test first and avoid open wounds. For sunburn, mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a cup of cool water and dab on the affected area. Follow with aloe vera or a calming cream. Ever used ACV for sunburn or irritation? Drop a relief in the comments and share your favorite soothing home remedy. Number 7. Combat signs of aging. Fine lines, wrinkles, age spots. While aging is beautiful, we all love a little help maintaining that youthful glow. Apple cider vinegar contains antioxidants and acids that boost blood flow, stimulate collagen, and protect skin from oxidative stress. Regular use can help tighten skin, improve elasticity, and reduce visible signs of aging. With time, your skin will feel firmer, smoother, and refreshed. Think of apple cider vinegar as a natural, gentle anti-aging treatment you can trust. If you're passionate about aging gracefully and naturally, drop "natural" in the comments and make sure you're subscribed for more skin wisdom. Here is a bonus about safe use tips. Apple cider vinegar is powerful, but it must be used with care. Always dilute it. A common and safe ratio is 1 part ACV to 3 parts water. Never use undiluted apple cider vinegar directly on your skin. It can cause burns or irritation. Start slow with 2-3 uses per week. Always patch test before full application. And always finish with a gentle moisturizer to maintain your skin's barrier. Also avoid using apple cider vinegar right after exfoliation or on broken skin. Want a detailed routine using apple cider vinegar safely? Comment "routine" and we'll whip up a full plan just for you. One tablespoon raw apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoon filtered water, 2 to 3 drops of tea tree or lavender essential oil optional. Do follow these directions. Mix all ingredients in a clean glass bottle. Shake well before each use. Apply with a cotton pad to clean skin, let it dry, and follow with moisturizer. Pause and screenshot this recipe so you can make your own glow-boosting toner at home tonight. Do it yourself. Apple cider vinegar face mask skin reset. This simple detox mask is perfect for weekly use. Here are the ingredients. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon bentonite clay, 1 tablespoon raw honey optional. Here are the instructions. Mix into a smooth paste. Apply evenly to the face. Leave for 10 minutes and rinse with warm water. Follow up with your favorite serum or hydrating mask. Now go ahead and comment "reset" if you're excited to try this one. And don't forget to tag your skincare bestie. There are many. Thousands of skincare lovers have shared their apple cider vinegar success stories. From YouTubers to estheticians, this natural remedy is trusted by many for its simplicity and effectiveness. Best of all, it's affordable, natural, and multifunctional. Do you know someone spending hundreds on skincare? Share this video. It could revolutionize their routine. Still unsure how to use ACV for your specific skin needs? Ask us in the comments. Whether it's dry, oily, acne-prone, or mature skin, we've got tailored tips for you. Now, comment "vinegar vibes" below and we might feature your question in our next video. There you have it. 7 scientifically backed, naturally effective ways apple cider vinegar can upgrade your skincare game. It's affordable, natural, and when used properly, incredibly effective. Your dream skin might just be a bottle away. If you learned even one new thing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our skincare community. Stay radiant, stay confident, and we'll catch you in the next Glow Up video.